Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find scheduled posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever wondered how to locate and manage your pending posts on this professional platform, you're in the right place. This is especially useful if you're running a business, managing a brand, or juggling multiple responsibilities and want your content to go out without manual posting. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you want to head over to LinkedIn and log into your account. This is a straightforward process if you're already familiar with LinkedIn. But just to recap, ensure you use your credentials to get access so you're logged into the correct profile or business account. Once you're logged in, you're presented with the homepage, which is typically filled with activity from your connections and the latest industry news. Next, focus your attention on the center of your screen, where you'll find the option labeled Start a Post. This is the same place you'd normally go to share updates, announcements, or insights with your network. Now, this is your gateway to not only composing new updates, but also accessing the posts you've previously queued up. It's located conveniently at the top of your feed, making it easy to get started with creating or managing your content without digging through menus. Once you click on Start a Post, you'll see different options related to composing a new message. But for our purpose, we want to look at scheduling. You will find an option there called Schedule for Later. This little feature is quite handy for those who prefer organizing their posts in advance, whether for a marketing campaign, a product launch, or just to maintain regular engagement with your network while you focus on other tasks. After clicking Schedule for Later, an additional menu will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says View All Scheduled Posts. It's here where LinkedIn neatly compiles all the updates you've planned in advance, saving you time and giving you a clear overview of what's coming up. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to review all your upcoming content at a glance. You can check the timing of each post and make adjustments if necessary, such as changing the date, time, or even the message itself, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your strategy. Navigating to this section might seem like a simple task, but it can greatly enhance your efficiency. By keeping track of your scheduled posts, you can manage your digital presence more effectively and stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, consistency is key on platforms like LinkedIn, especially when you want to engage your audience regularly and build long-term visibility. And there you have it, a clear pathway to finding and managing your scheduled posts on LinkedIn. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and ensure your content strategy rolls out smoothly, even on busy days. I hope this guide helps make your LinkedIn experience even more productive. If you ever need to revisit or adjust any scheduled content, you now know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching and happy posting.